What's cross-site scripting? This attack allows attackers to inject malicious JavaScript code into websites, which poses significant threat to both users and the website owners. I'm going to teach you all about XSS with a practical example on each type. Just so you know, if YouTube was vulnerable to XSS in its comments, then commenting a script will make anyone who sees this comment infected. And that JavaScript code could be something malicious, something to steal their data, to send it back to you. But how does it work internally? Let's say you have an input tag in HTML, which is the box that you comment in. It'll be something like this. When we enter something like John, it will be written in the value parameter, and it will be like this. But what if we wanted to end the string by adding a double quote or a single quote, then adding a script tag to insert malicious JavaScript code? It would look like this, but the best part is the website can't differentiate or see the difference between JavaScript and HTML. This video is for educational purposes only. I do not encourage hacking because it's illegal and will get you arrested if you don't have permissions. XSS attacks can be categorized into 3 types. 1. Stored XSS. The malicious script is permanently stored in the target's website server. How is that? If you write a script in the YouTube comments, like we've said, the YouTube comment will stay in the YouTube's database forever until it's deleted, right? This means it's stored on the server, which is the most dangerous one of the 3 types. In this website, we have some products, and if we choose one of those, we can see that we can leave a comment. When you go to the inner HTML like that, you'll see the comments appear like this. Tag B comment and closing tag B. So let's add a comment followed by a script tag like this. We can, inside the paragraph tag, we can insert the comment that we want to insert, and then open a script tag, do alert one. It's like something to check if there's an XSS. It creates a pop-up on the screen when you load it. And if this pop-up was shown to us, this means the site is vulnerable. Okay, so let's close the tag right now. Now when anyone visits this website, the script will run normally with the website. Like, they will enter a site, and the site runs its script and our scripts as well. I'll leave the lab's link in the description in case you want to try it yourself. Now the second type, reflected XSS. This attack involves injecting malicious script into the URL parameters, which are then reflected on the web page. This is an example right here. In this website, when we search for something, it appears in the link, right? Instead of writing our script in the comments, we can write it in the link instead. It's basically the same thing in the link. You can insert the malicious script to steal their cookies and authentication tokens to log into their account without them even knowing. Third type, we have DOM-based XSS. A DOM-based XSS attack doesn't require server-side vulnerabilities. Instead, it manipulates the document object model, which is the DOM, of a web page on the client side, leading to the execution of malicious scripts. So here you can type your script in the search bar itself, and it'll reproduce the same thing. In this case, I wrote the alert one to see if there's an XSS. We can write whatever we want. We can add another HTML tag. We can do whatever we want. You can learn more and try it yourself on Sugar Labs or tryhackme.com. Tryhackme will teach you more stuff about it. Their link is in the description. Unfortunately, I'm not sponsored because I only have 297 subscribers. Subscribe to get me sponsored, please, and thank you for watching. See you soon.